manifest for raw materials delivery.
Thank you. Cleared for entry. Have a safe day.
Keep coming straight back.
Easy now, clear on the left. All right, hold it there. Keep it moving, next pallet up.
Grid coordinate confirmed.
Scanning complete, take it away.
How hot is that liquid?
Over 800 degrees Celsius.
Moving the liquid metal?
How do they move liquid metal safely? In gigantic robotic ladles. Next, the machine that changed the industry. How fast did that happen?
Less than a blink of an eye. Solidification.
Bringing the coil to the decoiler. Keep the area clear below.
Are these ready to paint?
Not yet. They need to be welded together.
What is that purple paste? Structural adhesive, stronger than welds. Next, flow drill screws.
Why use flow drill screws instead of just drilling holes? Because FDS is faster and creates a much stronger thread by melting the metal. Why is this steel different? It's hardened boron steel to protect passengers.
To reach hidden crevices robots can't spray. Sealing the seams.
Why primer first? To make the paint stick and smooth out bumps. Next, the pearl white.
Is it wet? Yes, extremely sticky. Next, baking it hard. Shine, luxury finish, protection.
The 4680 cell is scanned. Larger size offers 5x energy and a tabless design reduces heat. Confirmed ready for packing. Around 800 of these big cells.
Don't they get hot? Not with the cooling ribbon snacking between them. Thermal management.
Is it just a battery?
No, it's the floor of the car. Seat mounts. Kilometers of copper, reduced significantly by Tesla's new architecture. Next, the dashboard.
Where are the buttons? There are none. It's all controlled by the screen or computer.
Is this a normal car computer? It's powerful enough to run a neural network. The glass roof.
Does it have a metal roof option? No. All Model Ys come with this massive glass.
Wait, where are the seats? They aren't going in the car yet. Next, the structural pack assembly.
The interior on pack module is finished. But how do you put a car on top of this? The answer is the general assembly marriage.
Is it drivable now? Almost. It needs wheels and fluids. Up next, suspension.
There it is. Okay, accept delivery. It's happening.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, the mirror's unfolded. Now let's check out that new car smell everyone talks about.
Experience the thrill of instant torque. But what about those longer journeys?
The end.